You know what they say, it's good luck, rainy day, right? Rainy day in a wedding.
What you are about to do is very likely the single most important thing you will ever do.
Love is a temporary madness. It erupts like volcanoes and then subsides. And when it subsides, you have to make a decision. You have to work out whether your roots have so entwined together that it is inconceivable that you should ever part. Because this is what love is. What do you think?
Oh, you look beautiful. Look at you.
Ready to dance?
Wow. I can't believe we're here.
And Caroline, I knew he was probably in love with you when I was talking to my mom on the phone and she said, Eric never calls me anymore.
Let's drink to Caroline and Eric.
I believed in this day for you, Caroline. You deserved this.